Hey everyone, come, let's dance with the earth. Let's dance green, keep the earth clean, celebrate the world, pure and pristine. Flutter like butterflies, fly so free, help plant more flowers, buzz like a bee, leap like frogs from log to log. Turn off the faucet, save the water for the bog. Every action counts, big or small. Together we can do it all. Let's dance green, keep the earth clean, celebrate our world, pure and pristine. Swoop like the eagles with wings so wide. Carpool to school, let's enjoy the ride. Paddle like ducks across the lake. Pick up trash, give Earth a break. Recycle the old, make room for the new. In every shade of green, yellow and blue. It's Earth Day, hear the call from the jungles to the waterfalls. Dance for change in every scene. Together we'll keep our planet green. Let's dance green, keep the earth clean, celebrate our world, pure and pristine. Crawl like a turtle, slow and wise. Preserve our lanes under the skies. March with the penguins, icy and neat. Spread the word with every beat. Unplug, unwind, hear nature's song. Share what you love and sing along. Let's dance green, keep the earth clean, celebrate our world, pure and pristine. On Earth Day and every day, from peaks to reefs, let's lead away our beautiful earth where we all thrive. Let's keep it clean, let's keep it alive. Let's dance green, keep the earth clean, celebrate our world, pure and pristine. Let's dance green, keep the earth clean, celebrate our world, pure and pristine. Let's dance green, keep the earth clean, celebrate our world, pure and pristine. Let's dance green.